Okay, this is an example of what you're going to do for the poems. I realize this is not a poem that I'm doing this for, but I wanted to use the same text I used before. Now, this time we're just looking at syntactical devices. Now, syntactical devices are based on syntax, but not all syntax are a syntactical device, as we talked earlier, like punctuation. So, syntactical devices are primarily the repetition. So you're looking at syntactical devices and literary devices. You're going to underline again all the main ideas or where you see something interesting in the text that probably will have a deeper meaning, especially in poems. Then you're going to label if it's a syntactical device, like here it's anaphora, it's repeated at the beginning, Epinepolis, if that's how you pronounce it, which is a word repeated after intervening words. Right here is imagery. That's a literary device simile. Um, and then once again, for challenge, you're going to pick one of the main ideas, one line of text or several lines of text that combine to show one device and one deeper meaning. So, for example, I have an arrow here to let me know which line I'm going to be annotating. I'm using this literary device of a simile where she's saying her mother was like a dead leaf. I'm saying it's developing character. It's negative. I think I have a negative connotation right there. Mom is helpless. Um, and plot, you can just choose one. You don't have to do both, but I'm just using the example. It also has a shift in the plot where the relationship changes from where becomes more combative, and they're arguing. Down here, at the bottom of the text, I have what I think is symbolism because she talks about the piano and goes into great detail about it shut and there's dust and her misery and her dreams. I think that the piano is, with all those words, it has a very negative connotation. It is a literary device. The piano equals mom's dreams, which are gone and dead. Maybe it has the theme of, family conflict.